Hey everyone, and welcome back to CoCo Couture's YouTube channel. So this client came all the way from Newcastle just for this LA weave. So what Kelly is doing, she's leaving a little bit of a thicker veil underneath the hair. The client really likes to wear her hair up, like in a pony every single day. So what she's doing is she's leaving a thicker veil underneath and along the sides of the hair as well, just so when she wears her hair up she's not going to see anything, and it's just guaranteed to blend in really nicely and you're not going to get anything sticking out. Not that you would anyway, but it's an extra bit of guarantee for the client just so that you can't see anything. So we are using a lighter shade of extension today, just because the client wants a bit of an ombre look going on, so that's why we've gone for the lighter hair. The client's hair is really thick as well, so Kelly's just straightening the hair as she's going along, just so she can see where everything lays and just so it lays flat and she can get more of a precise look going on. And again, she's just slicing through the hair just to make sure everything blends seamlessly. So guys, here is the finished look. It's super glossy, super luxe, and as you can see, it's just really beautiful. And it's just really seamless as she's wearing it up. And you can also really see the ombre effect from using the two different shades of red. So gorgeous. So guys, as always, if you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and give us a little comment if you want to know or see anything. And we'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.